What's up YouTube, it's Lilt with Techaholics, back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show y'all how to put YouTube back on the Fire TV stick, because after January 1st, they unfortunately took it off. So let's get it in.
Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel.
Alright, so what you're going to need is you're going to need an Android device, like an Android phone, maybe an Android tablet, and you're going to need your Fire TV stick. And what you're going to need on both devices are two applications for right now. Esfile Explorer and also Esfile Explorer on your Fire TV. Alright, so I'll put the links to the apps in the description. Y'all know how to download them and get them on y'all's device. And whenever y'all have them downloaded, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to locate the apps and install them. Alright, so for me, I had them in my download folders. So, like, let me see, where's it at? Right here. And what you're going to want to do is you want to go right there, go to install. And whenever they're installed, package installer, I can't install it again because I already have it. But whenever you have both of these apps installed, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go back into Esfile Explorer, go to where it says app, and you'll see them both right here. Now, you don't have to install these on your phone, but I would suggest to have them on your phone because it's actually a lot more better YouTube experience with this application for your phone. So I actually did a video on this particular application a long time ago, but we'll go ahead and we'll just show you how to put it on your Fire TV. So with both applications being open, let me go ahead and let me grab my Fire TV remote. Go to Esfile Explorer. Now, go into the application, select both of them, go right here to the three dots, and go to send. You'll see it do like this, and then that's for that device. So you just click on it. You see it say you want to install it. It'll look just like this. Let me lay that down, grab my remote again, and go to OK. Go down to where it says downloads. Let me see. It's kind of hard to see. You probably can't see it on. Yeah, you kind of can. Yeah, alright. Let's say go to download. Okay. And you just send it over. So I've already sent it over, so I'm just going to cancel it. And I'll show y'all that's in my downloads. So you see it's right there. Go ahead and go over to the application. See, it's kind of hard to work with this particular application because, like, I don't know what they did to it. But anyways, there we go. So you just go over here, go to install. Well, since I already have it installed, I'm not going to do it. You see, telling me that. You're just going to go down to where it says install. And you just click install. But anyways, it might not install or whatever. Yeah, so there we go. So now what you want to do too is I'll put the link to the video in the description on how you need to install the mouse application on this, and then how you have to set it up through your phone and everything like that. So I'll just show y'all what the application looks like. And this is, I don't know if y'all remember the video or not, but the mouse toggle for Fire TV status started. Alright, so whenever you have that installed and you go onto the application, can now open the app. Okay, it's probably because I tried to install it. Yeah, of course. Alright, so if y'all have that issue, we'll go ahead and we'll walk through it right now. Of course, what I'm going to have to do is just go back here, go to install. But I'll go ahead and I'll show y'all the mouse toggle. while I'm doing this. Go ahead and go to install. And I will show y'all that the other YouTube does not work on the Fire TV. For some reason they took it off January 1st for some odd reason. I guess that they just, I don't know what happened. I guess that it's not running with the newer updates and stuff like that. So y'all know me, I went ahead and I figured out how to put YouTube back on the Fire TV, but like do it to where it's maybe a bit better. I've been looking on like this application for a couple of hours now, and I've actually seen like that I don't get that many like ads and stuff like that, like how YouTube normally has. So you know, it's like it's better to me. So I'm gonna show you how to use the application. You can't use it with the normal Fire TV remote. You see, like if I go down, because this app technically isn't made for the Fire TV, but since that the Fire TV is Android, you know, we can do whatever we want with it. So pretty much what you want to do is whenever you have that application installed on your remote, you double click the play and pause button, and you'll see this little mouse cursor come up. So you want to go ahead and you want to go to search whatever you want to search. We'll just search my name up, which I've already done it because I'm not trying to get copyrighted or anything like that. So just go right here, and this is what it looks like. And the way that you're going to scroll up and down, because obviously whenever you go down like this, it's not going to work. But what you're going to do in order to scroll down or scroll up is pretty much do the opposite. You can do it with one hand if you want to, but shit. All right, there we go. You're just going to press up and like hold down on the middle button. And the way to go down is the opposite way, of course. So just to show y'all that this is working, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up a video of mine.
What's up, YouTube? It's Techaholics.
So,
Again with another video.
As you can tell, YouTube is working on the Fire TV. You just have to do it in a certain way, of course. And if you want to go to like the suggested videos, of course you do the same thing. You know, you go right here, you know, you click whatever you want to or anything like that. So I think that it's pretty cool to get YouTube back on the Fire TV for, you know, various reasons, whether you watch a YouTube channel or, you know, you watch my YouTube channel, you know, whatever the case may be, you know. But this is how you get YouTube back on the Fire TV stick. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.